Okay, we're going to do a little scissor test here to see which one cuts best. The first one is Ozark Trail multi-tool. See what it does here. Not doing too well on paper. Okay, sort of rough just on the paper. See if we can do anything with the paracord. And nothing at all. It's trying to saw through, but it's definitely not cutting cleanly or well. Okay, so that there is a fail. Go next to the Wenger. These are nice beefy scissors. They look like they should do a good job. We're gonna see. Okay, great on paper, nice and aggressive. Okay, great on paper. And if you hold it, even if you hold it, it doesn't cut well. You really have to saw through that. Okay, so that's a fail also. Let's see about the classic. Of course, Victorinox. Cuts very well. See what it does on paracord. Okay, a little bit of sawing, but very good. And this is a Victorinox Ranger. Let's see how this does. My most used tool on the Swiss Army knife is a scissor. Use it like almost every day. That works great. Let's see about the paracord. Oh, that was the best one yet. Okay. Definitely the winner there is the Ranger. I don't know why, since Wenger is associated with Victorinox, that these scissors are so terrible. I mean, they're just awful. And you compare that to the Victorinox, which is just perfect. So I don't know why they couldn't get it together on that, but you really can't rely on those for anything. And this is only an $11 multi-tool, so you can't really expect too much out of that. But definitely the winner, the classic and the Victorinox.